Okay, hi mabuhay! Welcome back to the Adventures of Miss Chuchubells. And if you're new to my channel, I am Victoria. So for today, we're going to do something that I miss so much doing on my channel. I think the next few videos would be actually more of unboxing videos because I realized that I haven't been doing it for quite some time. And just nice, I went and checked out the website of Sample Store. So they actually came out with a few boxes and I bought almost everything. So yeah, so if you want to know what's inside this box from Sample Store, keep on watching and let's get started. Okay. I haven't been doing unboxing for quite some time now. Don't ask me why because I also don't know the reason. But I checked out Sample Store and they actually came out with a few boxes. If you're not familiar with what Sample Store is, it's an online store who actually offers like consumers like us to be able to try like sample size products, and for $5.99 you can actually choose 4 items and get it delivered to your house, and then you can try it out even before you commit yourself in buying a full-size product. So they actually came up with a box they did say it does cost like $20 and they're just selling it for like on their website for $7. So I was able to get their travel necessities. Can you see that? The travel necessity box from Sample Store. And wow, so it actually give you like a discount code. So yeah, we'll see. So when you open the box, it's actually like this. The items would come in like wrapped in tissue. So I got the travel necessities, and I actually forgot how many sample size products are you supposed to get, but so this is how the inside actually looks like. And let's see, if you've been following me for quite some time now, you guys would have known that I do love samples because I'm afraid of commitment. And no, actually I'm afraid of like wasting money just because what if the product doesn't actually work on you or like looks good on you, if it's a makeup or a lipstick and whatnot. So Victoria, stop rambling. The first item that is actually inside this box, the travel necessity box, is a facial mask. It's the multivitamin essence rose mask pack from UCANB. Oh, okay, UCANB. I think this is a Korean brand. So I love facial masks, so I'm excited to try this. And the next is Biotherm. It's actually this. These are all sample sizes and you do get it for like $7. So let's open this thing up and see what you actually get. Oh! So you get this. It's from Biotherm. So when you open it up, you would see all this like information of what you get in the sachets. So let's do this. You get the Aqua Source Ever Plump. I think it's an essence. Oh yeah, it's a serum. Okay, you also get Aqua Source Gel Moisturizer. Oh my goodness, I'll be taking photos, don't worry. And then 3 sachets of their Life Plankton essence. They did say like 3 years younger in 8 days. Okay, so these are actually good like sachet sizes if you're going to travel. I usually do that. I only take travel sizes of the items that I actually have whenever I travel. So all my skincare items would be just in one small bag. The smaller the better. Actually get some from Q Origin, and it's their shower gel. Okay, so you get the Q Origin Redefine, Rediscover, Reconnect with Nature. It's actually a shower gel, but I find it like too small or a shower gel. I think it's only good for one-time use. The Red Seal Kids toothpaste. Okay, I think it's also it can be used by adults too. Not so sure. So that when you open it, oh, it's quite a big size. I think it's a full size. So it looks like this. When you open it up, it's actually for kids, but I think adults can use it too. Oh, you get the L'Oreal Youth Code Skin Activating like essence. Okay, it's a good travel size, but not good enough for you to actually know whether it would work for your skin. I think you can use this for like a week. I think so. And then, just in case you're traveling and suddenly you had breakouts, so you do get an acne patch from Miacare. Okay, you do get 3 patches. You still get the FRG Refreshing Instant Shoe Shine. I don't even know why you'll need this during when you travel, but they just put it inside there. So that's it. You actually get like how many items? I think 7 items. So what do I think about this travel essential box from Sample Store? Okay, just because I was able to get a mask, which I will be able to use. I would also like to use this Biotherm like skincare, but for the rest, I'm not so sure whether I like the travel necessity box from Sample Store. But for $7, okay, you can't complain, because just buying the mask alone would cost you like $3. And yeah, the toothpaste, I can still use it, but it's for kids. I'm not so sure why they even put it inside there, but at least you get a toothpaste. And yeah, but knowing me, if Sample Store does come out with another box, I'll be purchasing them. So I love doing unboxing because it's so like random. So if you like this type of videos, like I do unbox things like randomly, give this video a big thumbs up. And if you haven't been subscribed to my channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button, and maybe also hitting the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I try to upload videos every Wednesdays and Thursdays. Wednesdays and Saturdays, Victoria! It's Wednesdays and Saturdays. So, till my next adventure, please remember to be courageous, kind, and a blessing to everyone you meet. Bye!